viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to be reading a book called Masked Ninja by Mary Nin. Pictures by Jelena Stuptar. So this is also about COVID, like the last one I read. Well, not last, but a few books back. So without further ado, let's begin reading this book. Masks are surgical masks that doctors wear. It helps protect them by creating a barrier to viruses or bacteria. Many ninjas are wearing masks because of a virus going on. Why are you wearing that? My mask protects me and you. Viruses can make you feel unwell. Sometimes it can cause you to become very sick. The latest virus is causing everyone around the globe to fall sick. When it happens, it's called a pandemic. According to the CDC, Center of Disease Control, the virus began in Wuhan, China. Well, Wuhan City, China. China is here. Viruses are spread when someone coughs, sneezes, or comes in close contact with a person infected with the virus. Sickness comes in like a landslide, but it goes out as slow as a spinning silk. Okay, so I brought my mom's translator, so I'm gonna see what it means. So I'm pretty sure that's Chinese. So let's put in Chinese. Hold on, let's do the other way. Let's see if it works. It says illness comes. Oh, illness is like a land. Okay, so technically it's saying the same thing once it ends with the comic, like sickness comes in a landslide. That's literally what it's saying, but it does not say the bug goes out slow as spinning silk. So that's a bummer. I was saying some kind of. Okay, I mean it's the least I could do. This is a popular Chinese saying, and it is similar to what is happening when there's a pandemic. And why did I say that? All of a sudden, the new virus is spreading quickly, but treating, preventing, and containing it will be very slow and difficult. Besides, wearing a mask and keeping safe distance from people, one way to prevent the spread of viruses is to wash your hands. To do this correctly, it is good to wash often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Wash your hands. Wash them nice and clean. Scrub them here, scrub them there, and scrub them in between. That's actually a nice song. Another thing you can do is keep your hands away from your face. On average, we touch our face more than 100 times a day. It depends if you are really paying attention to this virus. Whatever. Sneezing into your elbow or a tissue shows respect for other people by protecting them from your germs. Excuse me. And remember to cover your mouth when you cough. It's best to cough into a tissue, but if you don't have one, using your upper sleeve is good. Cover your sneezes and coughs. If you don't, you'll spread the diseases. I thought I said disease, but diseases. There are a lot of rumors on the internet about viruses that cause pandemics. You should only listen to your doctor, CDC, or the WHO. WHO stands for the World Health Organization. They're reliable sources of information about the virus. Some ninjas are teased for causing the virus. We should be kind and not blame others for what is happening. Hold on, let me use the translator for that. Maybe it's the same thing they're saying. Who knows? I'm just gonna check it. Okay, so it turns out the blue ninja is saying thank you, and the purple one is saying you're welcome. This translator is very helpful. Alright, let's continue. If you're experiencing harassment, you should report it to an adult. Bullying is never okay. Excuse me, I have something to tell you. We are all in this together, so it's important to be kind to each other. Remembering these tips could be your secret weapon against the spread of the viruses of race and racism. I did make a video called Anti-Racist Baby. So if you haven't checked that out, if you don't know what racism is, go check that video out. Probably going to be in the link in the description. Actually, I don't really know. Actually, yes, I'll put in the link in this description if you like to check it out. Or maybe you could just scroll down on the videos. Oh wow, there's actually a lot of ninjas. Oh wow, that's a lot of books. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I'm not going to count them all right now. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope you stay safe from COVID. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!